Yeah, hi, this is John. I was calling to say thank you for having Lieutenant Colonel Anthony Schaefer on.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the revelations from the latest WikiLeaks release was the fact that Saudi Arabia, or elements within Saudi Arabia, are still the number one financier of Al-Qaeda.
Yes.
And during the 9/11 Commission, the executive director of the 9/11 Commission, Philip Zelikow, he actually shied investigators away from Saudi Arabia, and he even fired one of the investigators. I don't know if you remember.
We have great interest in protecting Saudi Arabia, do we not?
Well, absolutely. And the Joint Congressional Inquiry into 9/11 had 28 redacted pages that talked about Saudi Arabia financing terrorism. And the families have been wanting to get that released, and they have not been able to. Obama promised the Jersey girls that he would look into it, and he never got back to them.
Okay. Thank you very much.